Well, overall, E-Laser has been a good addition to our business. It's allowed us to be much more productive, and which turns into profitability. So we basically started with ETemplate, and we started plotting them out just to make sure. We actually did wood templates in addition to the Allen Datagraph vinyl templates to just make sure we're putting out a quality product, and we lay them on top of each other until we felt confident in our ability to E-template. And it didn't take long for us to have that confidence, and the training was a big part of that we received back at your facility.
Basically a whole new system from anything that anybody here had known before. But once we got it up and rolling, almost like it got easier and easier by the day, it seemed like. And eventually, I mean, it was to the point to where it was just, I mean, you know, you're in, you're out, you're done. We were driving, you know, big vans around all the time, because you had to have the storage space for all your equipment that you needed there. And now, I mean, it's a backpack and a laser. Our production, or the production time in half, probably.
Oh yeah.
Close to it, just by
Just
having
by
that
doing
template versus a strict template.
And that's a lot more time consuming than a CNC.
Yeah. And you know, you're cutting 20, 30 sinks a day. You got to do that by hand. That eats up a lot of time. When the machine cuts it, it's just
Smooth.
yeah. Hit a button and watch it roll. We always have service calls and stuff, but we got your digital template on file now. We don't have to send a guy out to re-template the whole thing. By the time we did that, I mean, it'd be a day or two before we could even start it, but I'd have your job cut in 10 minutes. When the guys template a job, they'll email it to me, and I'll take all these lines off and everything, and then I'll export it as a DXF. A lot of control over it, and you can see what the outcome is going to be. And then once you got it whatever you want, you just click that little toolpath button, and that's what the saw is going to cut. And it's just like that, easy, fast. And right now they can hit a button back there and it starts cutting. I mean, if you know anything about countertops and you know what you're looking for, it's very user friendly.
You want to tell me how the E-Laser Express has affected your business? Production, profit, errors, things like that?
Well, as far as production, it allowed us to go to CNC cut, water jet, so almost double the throughput. And, you know, as far as production,
About how many templates would you say you're doing a day per guy?
a day per guy, probably 5 to 7 per guy.
So how many kitchens a week would you say you're doing?
Probably 50 to 75.
The customized integration that we gave you for Excel?
Yeah, our customized integration for Excel is key because it just makes it just like our paperwork used to be for the guys in the field, so there's nothing different. All the papers that they received prior to template and now after template going into the shop looks identical as what they used to see.
How long?
It cruises on autopilot.
How long did it take us to get off? I mean,
In the scheme of things?
30 days?
Yeah.
You really helped us through a difficult time in our evolution as a company. It's giving about entering digital from manual shop. It's kind of where the industry is going, and you have to have good partners and good product to allow you to make that leap. And it has to be kind of easy to use because of the technicians, maybe their technical ability with computers and lasers, but it's very easy to use. And now my technicians that were scared of turning on a PC or a laptop seem like they're CAD wizards, and you know, they're not scared by it at all. Very easy to use, very productive, very accurate, which turns into good product for my customers. Good stuff.